In this demo, I'll show off some of VitalSigns' terrific features for monitoring Microsoft Exchange on-prem. I'm looking here at the VitalSigns dashboard, which has my cloud applications up at the top, my on-premise applications below, and my on-premises applications are grouped into their type. So I've got all my Active Directory servers, all my DAGs, all my Exchange servers, and so forth. And you notice as I mouse over this, everything is clickable. So if I wanted to see my Exchange servers, I could just click on the word Exchange. Up comes a list of my 4 Exchange servers. And I can immediately see that one has an issue. So if I go ahead and click on that to see the issue, I get some information about the overall status of the server. I can see the response time over the last 24 hours, what the disk space availability is, how it's been doing on CPU and memory. There's also a tab here called the Health Assessment. On the Health Assessment tab, you can see all of the tests that were performed against the server and what the results were. And you can even see how current that information was, which you can see is all within the last 10 minutes or so. So here I can see that we did some tests against ActiveSync, and also that one of the monitored services that's supposed to be running is not running. We set that up that way. Now if you look at the list of Windows services, there's any number of Windows services that can be running on a Windows machine, and VitalSigns can watch over all of those and alert you when a service that's supposed to be running is not running. Let me go back to the dashboard here. We also have some views that are specific to server health. So if I go up to the server health menu here, I'll go down to Exchange Health. This presents me with a list of all of my Exchange servers and what roles they're in, what their current status is. And there's different tabs here to show me information specific to DAG, around CAS, around mailboxes, and based on their roles, basically. Now you can take any one of these and click on it. It'll take you right to the detail page that we just saw. We can also look at the 2 DAGs that we have set up here. Both of those currently have an issue. I can click on that and it will take me to the DAG health page for the DAG that I clicked on. Alternatively, you can go to DAG health, and that will give you a list of all of the DAGs. And up at the top here, as you click from one to the other, the information down below changes. Here it's showing me that 2 of the databases are not currently using the activation preference number 1. There's other tabs showing information about the DAG. And you can tell when there's a problem area inside a tab because it has the little red exclamation point. So here I can see that on my Exchange 2 server, we have some issues with the database copy. Also, we pull some great information out of Exchange. So we pull information like the mobile users. You can see who's using ActiveSync and what types of devices they're using. You can also go to the Mail Files tab and see who's got the biggest mail files. So this is either across all of your servers or on a specific server you can take a look at. You can also look at message count and mailbox size by the database that they're in. And there you go. There's a lot of other information in here too, but I just wanted to give you an overview here in 4 minutes or less. And I thank you for your attention.